looking for a solid project that will worth your time and will be profitable at the end of the day. What I'm talking about, I mean utility and token, then Simple Coin is the right one for you. So Simple Coin is a coin is owned by crypto neobank Simple. That's an EU regulated new bank called Simple. So it's designed for buying, sending, and exchange of cryptocurrency. So they launched a simple Telegram bot for free farming of SMPL cryptocurrency. So if you are looking for a solid project with a utility um, project, we are talking about utility project, the project that the crypto space can stand the test of time, that has a kind of usability. So this will actually be a good project for you. If you're thinking about long-term project that will stand the test of time, not the one that will fade away all of a sudden, the simple tap Telegram bot is the right one for you. And withdrawal has started already into the simple tap wallet. So the wonderful thing about this project is that they already have their own app, I mean exchange app. So on their app, you can buy, you can send cryptocurrency, you can exchange cryptocurrencies on their app. So it's a solid project, not just a project that just spring up all of a sudden and they won't start the test of time. So Simple and Coin is a project that is designed to last. First thing first, go and download Simple app from Play Store so that you can be receiving your Simple Coin in your withdrawal. So when you make your withdrawal, so it's what to be using to make your withdrawal. So withdrawal have started already. So if you are new and if you are old member, you download the Simple app for your withdrawal. Then if you are a new member, check the link in the description of this video so that you can get started on Simple Tap, or check the pinned comment of the message. You will see the link to start to for you to register and get started on this platform. So to make withdrawal is simple. You come to the app, you can see my coin balance. Then you select that highlighted place. That is where you can connect to your Simple Tap app. So if you click on the place, it will take you to the withdraw option. Then you read the instruction there. Then you click on continue. So when you click on continue, it will redirect you to the place where you can make your withdrawal. So please make sure you have your Simple Tap app on your phone. So here now you'll be able to withdraw 10% of your earnings every day. So 10% of anything you tap, you'll be able to withdraw it. Then you select it. You can see from Simple Coin to Simple app. Then you click on withdraw. Then it will be done. So when you click on that, you can see now withdrawn. Then redirect us back to the app we downloaded. But make sure you've registered on the app. So then you can click on the app to confirm your withdrawal. So you can see now the app is loading. So you already set your password, then you enter your password. You can see now it said collect Simple Tap. So when you collect it, so look at the amount of coin I've been able to withdraw from this app. So that is how withdrawal is being done on Simple Tap app. For those of you that are new to Simple Tap and you want to register, use the link in my bio on the description of this video. Check the comment section. You're going to see a link there. So when you come to the present to Simple Coin link, then it will take you to here. So I will briefly explain to you how you can actually play this game. So the first thing you are going to do is to come to the tax section. You can see tax section here. So this is tax, this boost, this invite, and this is home screen. So and if you look at okay, so when you come to the tax section, so there are some tasks you can carry out here so that you can get more Simple Coin as a starter. You can see the one I've completed. It has been marked with a green icon and blue icon here. Look at them here, here, here. Those are the completed tasks. So when you complete that, you'll be able to get some coin. Then you come to boost. So under boost, just like Amstel Combat, you can buy
profit per hour. Then here we have profit per hour. Then we have tap limit. We have coin per hour. That's profit per hour. So if you look at underneath below, this simple and academic. If you want to increase your tap limit, you use simple and academic. But I would advise you not to even go to simple and academic. Go to coin. Go to coin and invest. So when you come to coin and invest, you can buy all these cards to increase your profit per coin. This is coin per profit. So for you to increase coin per profit, you have to come to coin. Look at coin here. This is coin, then this is invest. So when you come to coin or invest, you can start upgrading this coin. Just as, okay, let me upgrade this so that you can see what I'm talking about. Just like Amstel Combat. So you can see level 16 for 11. You can see different levels, different levels. Then if you come to invest, also the same thing. So focus your coin in investing in coin and invest to increase your what? Your profit per coin. That's profit per hour. This here I've gotten to 4,000 plus per hour. So that's the level I stopped for me to be mining more coin per hour. Then if you come to invite, so here you will see your referrals. Here I have 241 referrals. So then whatever thing my referrals are making, I'll be getting 10% from them. 10%. So, and I'll also be getting, look at it. So then if they refer anyone, I'll be getting 2.5%. And this is the one I've gotten now. So if I want to claim my reward here from my referral, what I've earned from my referral, I'll claim for what? Claim reward. You can see now, look at the amount I've gained now within some days from my referral. So then you can come to your home. So when you come to your home, there's something you need to pay attention to here. Look at the place they wrote collect. That's the amount per hour I'll be able to get, I think, like within the last 8 hours. So here. So anyone I'm able to mine, I'll just click on collect. You can see that I've added to my coin balance. Then you click on what? Start farming. So it will start running again. Look at the timer here. So every 8 hours, you need to come here and you can see now, look at the timer. So that is that about that. When you come here, this I clicked on. You can see. So when you come here, you you connect your email. Then you can also connect your Simple Tap app. Here you can see that I said connected with Simple Tap and with Simple App. So the Simple App is the app that belongs to Simple Coin. So for those of you that don't know about the Simple Coin, like I've explained it earlier in the video, I've explained. So if you want to connect to it, you just come there, then come here, you see where to connect, then you click on connect, then make sure it's the same email you are using here that is actually used for that used to register for your Simple. So then if you look at this page, there are options for you to explore here. So if you click on this design middle one, so I don't really use this, but here is a spin game. You can click the spin, then you can again this something. So you'll be given a particular spin limit per day. Look at the spin. Because if you want to get more spin here. So that's how to actually play Simple Tap game. And withdrawal have started already. So if you want to withdraw your coin, you know where to go. I've explained that earlier. You come here. So you come here, then you click on what? Continue. You can see now, withdraw is every 24 hours. So you are going to be withdrawing 10% of every coin you've mined. So you withdraw it to your wallet. So that's how to play Simple Tap game. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. If you are here to like this channel, do well to like the channel. So we're going to be guiding you on to actually make it in this Emperor Tap game. So Simple Tap is genuine. It's an Europe-based, Europe-controlled company that owns it. So it's legit. So if you're looking for a legit project to invest in that will give you a long-term benefit, a solid project, not just Jabulani project, not just Wuru project, but a solid project, I can bet you Simple Coin is a solid project you can afford to venture into and you won't regret it. Mark my words, you won't regret it. It's a solid project. I mean, they have their own app. If I'm not mistaken, I think they have their own blockchain, and they have utility for their coin. Utility, they have their own app, their own exchange. So it's a utility coin. For those of you that have experience, anything that is utility coin always have a longer lasting benefit, and it will also yield you more profit if you're able to scale in high. So see you next time for more updates.